David the Crook, and today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to EQ your vocals. But before we get into the video, I'm going to remind you to subscribe and drop a like. Also drop a comment. I have a song here called Say So by Young Israel. I'll put the link to the song in the description so you could check out the full song. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to show you how to EQ some West Coast R&B vocals using two different methods. The first one being using stock plugins, and the second one being using some wave plugins or third-party plugins. I'm gonna play some of the song so you could get the feel of the song, and then we'll get into it.
Johnny Cash got the way.
She wanna go where the gang go. I'm a boss, yeah, they do what I say. So they know me in the city, name a place that I can't go. They always wanna hook, but they never got the bankroll. Case closed, if you want a verse, I need the pesos. Late low, my homie, he a demon with a halo. Hey yo, young boy sauce like some Prego. Afraid, or they say I'm gon' blow like volcanoes. I know though, I've been popping since I went solo. Popping off every time I flow, bro. They say you had.
That's the mixed version of the song. I'm gonna play the raw vocals so you can get to hear what the raw vocals sound like.
She wanna go where the gang go. I'm a boss, yeah, they do what I say. So they know me in the city, name a place that I can't go. They always wanna hook, but they never got the bankroll. Case closed. If you want a verse, I need the pesos. Late low, my homie, he a demon with a halo. Hey yo, young boy sauce like some Prego. Afraid, or they say I'm gon' blow like volcanoes. I know though, I've been popping since I went solo.
That's the dry vocals, and as you can tell, we punched in every line. And before you even get into mixing, one thing I want to remind you is you want to make sure you have a nice, clean, dry recording, because you can't fix a bad recording. The first thing you want to do when it comes to EQing vocals is you want to be able to shape the vocals. To be able to shape the vocals, the first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using an EQ. This is just a regular stock Logic Pro EQ. The reason I like using this EQ is because it does have an analyzer. So if I were to play it,
she wanna go where the gang go. I'm a boss, yeah, they do what I say. So they know me in this.
You can see the frequencies that are within the vocals. First thing you want to do is you want to shape the vocals, like I said. And the way I shape my vocals is using just a low pass filter as well as a high pass filter, and then using these bells within it to shape and mold the vocals. So I'm gonna be cutting out some of that low end, boosting some of that high end, and then cutting out certain frequencies within the vocals that don't sound pleasant to a human ear.
She wanna go where the gang go. I'm a boss, yeah, they do what I say. So they know me in the city, name a place that I can't go. They always wanna hook, but they never got the bankroll. Case closed, if you want a verse, I need the pesos. Late low, my homie, he a demon with a halo. Hey yo, young boy sauce like some Prego. Afraid, or they say I'm gon' blow like volcanoes. I know though, I've been popping since I went solo. Popping off every time I flow, bro. They say you hella cold, no snow. Oh, I like that. Lately I've been feeling for the stacks. I ain't letting it help it when I was down up on my back. Move back. Hell no, I ain't getting on your track. I'm gunning for the pack. I ain't got no time to slack now. She wanna go where the gang go. I'm a boss, yeah, they do what I say. So they know me in the city, name a place that I can't go. They always wanna hook, but they never got the bankroll. Case closed, if you want a verse, I need the pesos. Late low, my homie, he a demon with a halo. Hey yo, young boy sauce like some Prego. Afraid, or they say I'm gon' blow like volcanoes. I know though, I've been popping since I went solo. Popping off every time I flow, bro. They say you hella cold, no snow. I like that. Lately I've been feeling for the stacks. I ain't letting it help it when I was down up on my back. Move back. Hell no, I ain't getting on your track. I'm gunning for the pack. I ain't got no time to slack now. She wanna go where the gang go. I'm a boss, yeah, they do what I say. So they know me in the city, name a place that I can't go. They always wanna hook, but they never.
What I did is I ended up cutting out some of that low end. I cut around 430 to take out some of that boxiness, which is this sound here.
She wanna go where the gang go.
And then from there, after I cut out some of that boxiness, I swept throughout the whole frequencies just to take out certain frequencies that just spike when you run the EQ through it, like this frequency here.
She wanna go where the gang go. I'm a boss, yeah, they do what I say. So they know me in the city, name a place that I can't go. They always wanna hook, but they never got the bankroll. Case closed, if you want a verse, I need the pesos. Late low, my homie, he a demon with a halo. Hey yo, young boy sauce like some Prego. Afraid, or they say I'm gon'.
And then I'm cutting out this harsh frequency here.
She wanna go where the gang go. I'm a boss, yeah, they do what I say, so they know me in the city, name a place that I can't rotate.
And then I boosted up some of the high frequencies. So the first EQ when it comes to mixing your vocals is going to be to shape. The second EQ you're going to be using on your vocals is going to be to add emphasis, add certain boost to the EQ to just take out more of presence. And the way I'm going to be doing that is I'm going to be using the vintage tube EQ within Logic. Now the differences between these two EQs is that this one's not going to add any color onto the vocals. This one's just going to shape your vocals. Now this vintage tube EQ is going to add some color to your vocal. So adding plugins that emulate hardware is going to add color to your vocals, and it's going to just make it sound a little bit better. I like using this plugin here because you have a lot more freedom than if you were to use some of the other third-party emulation plugins that model this tube EQ. The reason I like using those is because you have more freedom. So for example, I could go to all the way 100 hertz and I could move in between. Like let's say I wanted to do boost 78 hertz, but I'm gonna be boosting 100 hertz just to add some more body onto the low end of the vocals. Because this is like a West Coast R&B type feel, you do want smooth vocals, but at the same time I'm gonna boost some of that low end.
She wanna go where the gang go. I'm a boss, yeah, they do what I say, so they know me in the city, name a place that I can't go. They always wanna hook, but they never got the bank. Case closed. If you want a verse, I need the pesos. Late low, my homie, he a demon with a halo. Hey yo, young boy sauce like some Prego. Afraid, or they say I'm gon' blow like volcanoes. I know though, I've been popping since I went solo. Popping off every time I flow, bro. They say you hella cold, no snow. Oh, I like that. Lately I've been feeling for the stacks. I ain't letting help a hand when I was down up on my back. Move back, hell no, I ain't getting on your track. I've been gunning for the plaque, we ain't got no time to slack, nah. She wanna go where the gang go. I'm a boss, yeah, they do what I say, so they know me in the city, name a place that I can't go. They always wanna hook, but they never got the bank. Case closed.
This is how the vocals sound without the EQ.
She wanna go where the gang go. I'm a boss, yeah, they do what I say, so they know me in the city, name a place that I can't go. They always wanna hook.
And then with the EQs.
She wanna go where the gang go. I'm a boss, yeah, they do what I say, so they know me in the city, name a place that I can't go. They always wanna hook, but they never got the bank. Case closed. If you want a verse, I need the pesos.
It already sounds a lot cleaner, a lot smoother, just presence within the vocals. Now this is the way you do it using just stock plugins. Now the second way I'm going to show you how to do it is using some wave plugins. Like I said, when I was using the tube EQ, I like using plugins that emulate hardware. And some of the plugins that I like using to EQ vocals is the SSL, as well as the Pull Tech. This Pull Tech here is the same thing as this one here. The Logic EQ has more freedom. So for example, you got 100, you could go to 70, 80. On here, on this paid plugin, you just have 100, 60, 30, 20. You're kind of limited to what frequencies you could boost, and there's pros and cons to that, but just in general, you don't always need paid plugins to EQ vocals. I just like investing into certain plugins that emulate hardware. And if you're looking into investing into some wave plugins, down below in the description I do have a discount code for you to use. That way you could get your plugins even cheaper. And I'm gonna be doing the same process as I did using the stock plugins. This first EQ that I'm gonna be using, which is the SSL, I'm gonna be using this to shape the vocals, and it's kind of like the same thing, but when you're using an SSL, you use more of your ears because you don't have those frequencies to see, so you're using your ears a lot more. And plus you could do different stuff, like you could add some compression, you could add noise gate, but for the most part we're just going to stick to shaping the vocals.
She wanna go where the gang go. I'm a boss, yeah, they do what I say, so they know me in the city, name a place that I can't go. They always wanna hook, but they never got the bank. Case closed. If you want a verse, I need the pesos. Late low, my homie, he a demon with a halo. Hey yo, young boy sauce like some Prego. Afraid, or they say I'm gon' blow like volcanoes. I know though, I've been popping since I went solo. Popping off every time I flow, bro. They say you hella cold, no snow. Oh, I like that. Lately I've been feeling for the stacks. I ain't letting help a hand when I was down up on my back. Move back, hell no, I ain't getting on your track. I've been gunning for the plaque, we ain't got no time to slack, nah. She wanna go where the gang go. I'm a boss, yeah, they do what I say. So they know me in the city, name a place that I can't go. They always wanna hook, but they never got the bank. Case closed. If you want a verse, I need the pesos. Late low, my homie, he a demon with a halo. Hey yo, young boy sauce like some Prego. Afraid, or they say I'm gon' blow like volcanoes. I know, though, I've been poppin' since I went solo.
That sounds good like that. And then I'm gonna be using the pull tech, add certain emphasis after I shape the vocals using the SSL.
She wanna go where the gang go. I'm a boss, yeah, they do what I say. So they know me in the city, name a place that I can't go. They always wanna hook, but they never got the bank. Case closed. If you want a verse, I need the pesos. Late low, my homie, he a demon with a halo. Hey yo, young boy sauce like some Prego. Afraid, or they say I'm gon' blow like volcanoes. I know, though, I've been poppin' since I went solo. Popping off every time I flow, bro. They say you hella cold, no snow. Oh, I like that. Lately I've been feeling for the stacks. I ain't letting help a hand when I was down up on my back. Move back. Hell no, I ain't getting on your track.
I pretty much did the same thing I did using the stock plugins, just using different plugins for a different reason. Like I said, these emulate hardware. The stock plugins, just the first one doesn't add any color. The second one does. The only difference is within the stock plugin, the stock EQ here, I was able to cut out certain frequencies, and with the SSL you're kind of limited to just using these bands here. I could go within this band here with the green knobs and sweep through the frequencies and cut out certain frequencies, but I just didn't do that just to save some time. I'm gonna play the stock plugins first, and then I'm gonna play the paid plugins after. That way you can let me know which one do you like the best and which one do you think sounds better.
She wanna go where the gang go. I'm a boss, yeah, they do what I say. So they know me in the city, name a place that I can't go. They always wanna hook, but they never got the bank. Case closed. If you want a verse, I need the pesos. Late low, my homie, he a demon with a halo. Hey yo, young.
That's the stock plugins. Now I'm gonna be playing the wave plugins.
She wanna go where the gang go. I'm a boss, yeah, they do what I say. So they know me in the city, name a place that I can't go. They always wanna hook, but they never got the bank. Case closed. If you want a verse, I need the pesos. Late low, my homie, he a demon with a halo. Hey yo, young boy sauce like some. She wanna go where the gang go. I'm a boss, yeah, they do what I say. So they know me in the city, name a place that I can't go. They always wanna hook, but they never got the bank. Case closed. If you want a verse, I need the pesos. Late low, my homie, he a demon with a halo. Hey yo, young boy sauce like some Prego. Afraid, or they say I'm gon' blow like volcanoes.
And if you hear them both, there's little subtle differences between each and every one of them, just due to the way it was mixed, and then the curve slope within each EQ is a little bit different. But overall, when it comes to mixing your vocals using EQ, the first EQ I like using to shape the vocals, and the second one I like using to emphasize certain frequencies within the vocals, just to take out more presence, create a little bit more body, a little bit more warmthness within the vocals. If you want me to show you how I compress these vocals, or how I added reverb or delay, or just mix the vocals in general with the auto tune and all that, drop a comment down below, and if I see enough comments, I'll make a full-on tutorial for this song. But other than that, that is how you EQ your vocals. If you want me to mix and master one of your songs, feel free to hit me up on Instagram. Just DM me mixing and I'll get back to you. If you're getting into recording, mixing, and mastering, and you need some one-on-one help when it comes to that, feel free to also hit me up on Instagram. Just DM me mentoring, and I'll get back to you and better your skills at recording, mixing, and mastering. I want to remind you to subscribe and drop a like. Also, check out the song. The link will be down below in the description. My name is David the Crook, and I hope this EQing vocal video was helpful to you.
She wanna go where the gang go. I'm a boss, yeah, they do what I say. So they know me in the city, name a place.